Okay, in this quick video, I'm just going to show you how I water all of my 6-packs that I started from seed. I just get this tray here. You can get at Walmart for pretty inexpensive. And then I just load up the tray with as many as it will fit. Oh, and the best way I've noticed that for timing wise, you never want to water your seed starts too early, otherwise they're going to just get rotted. So my rule of thumb is I wait until the top of the soil here turns light, and then I wait about a day or two. You can kind of see on this one where the soil right here is still sort of dark, but this side's a little bit light. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to water this one because the whole thing's really not dry. If anything, I'll just take a water bottle and I'll mist this side from the top, and then I'll do it at a later date. Whereas this one, you can see that it's even starting to separate from the sides a little bit. So I kind of recommend doing this one a little bit sooner. So you do that. We're going to do all of these ones. And they, for the most part, fit in here. And then I just take water and I fill the bottom of the tray. Now, I like to do this whole little watering can, but about an inch or so from the bottom deep it should be, and just make sure it's on a flat surface, otherwise only one side's gonna get watered. And then I will leave them in here for about half hour or so, and then you'll notice that all the tops have turned darker. I'll take them out and I'll put them back in my seed tray, and I'll put them back under the light. So you can see it's about half inch of water, and you just want to make sure that all the bottoms are touching the water. And I always water from the bottom because I felt for years I was always getting like a mold on top, or I would water and then the seeds would flow out. So I noticed that watering from the bottom and it's soaking it up always really ensured that all of the 6-pack was getting watered, because you can't see through here and know that if you pour it on top, it's going to make it all the way down to the roots. So this way, you know the whole cell is watered because the tops will start to turn dark. So like I said, I'll just leave this for about a half hour and I'll come back and I will drain the rest of the water. And this is what they look like when they're finally all done. You can tell that the tops are all dark brown. And so now I just put them all back. And then in a couple days, when this one is ready, I will do the same thing. And you can see there's leftover water in the tray here. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get rid of the rest of this water here. Or I could go get another flat and put them in here and use up the rest of the water, or use it to water the rest of my plants. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will be posting a new video soon. Thank you.